description of the lyrics for you to relate to the movements of the dance so that you can enjoy it much more. The song Dekhe Choki Take is essentially about a woman who is looking for beauty, color, vibrancy, love, and peace in this arid, dreary, and desiccated land. The poet writes, have you ever seen her beside the Blue River with her rain-drenched feet? What is her name? Can we find her in the waterlogged fields? Does she reach towards the sky? Is she the rainbow that hides behind the clouds? The wind-blown, dry leaves say, go, please go away. This dull and hazy place is not for you. Please go away. We run all over, looking for her in the arid fields, and we cross the clouds, seeking to touch the rainbow. This dance has been composed by Sridhar Shankar for a group performance and has been modified by Lokamudra. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy the sequence.